Hello everyone, so this is on-page SEO checklist, the only checklist you may need. My name is Ilia, you're on Ilia's Digital, and I have prepared a checklist for on-page SEO for everyone who may need this, SEO specialists and owners of the business, digital marketers. If you're here, you know why you're here. I shared this checklist by the link in description. You can just download it, maybe use online, print it, do anything you need in any format, you may use it. So this is my on-page SEO checklist. You can download it right now and we'll go point by point together. Well, first of all, you can see that I've divided points on this checklist to three main groups: basic on-page SEO, advanced and professional SEO. So let's start with basic SEO. First of all, you know what focus keyword you have for your content, what search query your content should be ranking for. So keep your keyword in most important spots. Keep your keyword in title. You also have to place your keyword in high-level headings. No more than 17% of all high-level headings in your content, but keep them there, keywords and any synonym in headings, and of course in first paragraph. First part of your content, the first paragraph is very important for Google bots. So try to mention the keyword topic in title, in heading 1, heading 2, heading 3. Don't over optimize, but keep this in mind. So the next one is URL settings. Your URL should be descriptive and don't keep it too long, keep it short. I know that some content management systems, they create URLs with numbers like article /35400. That's the worst you can do with your URL. So URL should be short and descriptive. The next point of basic on-page SEO is media information. Of course, media information, media title and media description. There is a lot of information how it should be displayed on Google SERP. Media title and media description, they should be also descriptive and not too short, not too long. You can find my video about media title and media description, how media information should look like. So let's don't repeat it again. The last point of basic on-page SEO checklist is links. You have to include your links to your content on the page. Try to use internal links on every your page. Try to make your content look like Wikipedia's page. Make internal links to other pages of your website, link to other blog posts, link to products, and external links. There is some tips you have to know about creating external links on your website. You do not have to use as anchor the keyword you're targeting to. Use for external links only high-rated websites like Wikipedia, Daily Telegraph, like New Yorker, Facebook, Twitter, anything. They're very high-rated websites. So in here we go to advanced SEO, on-page SEO checklist. Here are only 2 points. Optimize your images. Optimizing images for example, local SEO is a huge topic. It will be in one of my next videos, so stay tuned, subscribe, and you'll learn more. But for now, you have to remember 2 things: media information of the image and compress your images. So media information of the images, I mean alternative text and the name of your image. Sometimes organic traffic from images can reach huge percent of all your organic traffic. So use it in alternative text for the images. It's very important. Of course, images should be used as compressed images. Don't use very large images for your website. It can cause problems with your speed, with user experience, visitor behavior. So compress it, edit media information, and you'll succeed. So the next one of advice on page SEO checklist is topical relevance. That's a very huge topic. Topic relevance means how wide your content is resolving the problem, is describing the topic you're trying to describe. If you're talking about mobile phones, try to describe different types of mobile phones. iPhone 30, Samsung, Huawei, is it iPhone, is it Android or iOS or anything else. Make your topic wider and describe it fully, okay? So here we are, the last part of our on-page SEO checklist is professional part. So it's the most interesting one. Optimize your content for feature snippet. Sometimes you can see that Google likes to close traffic on itself. You see quick answer, it's a feature snippet in the very top. The most important for featured snippet is that you have to be ranked in top 10. There already have to be feature snippet, and you have to choose correct format. So choose the correct format and give visitors quick answers. It doesn't mean that somebody is seeing feature snippet, they do not visit your website. They are visiting your website. It really works, and you are in the top, in the very top. You have feature snippet, huge snippet with information. The visitor sees that it's relevant, it's answering his question, his or her question, and he's visiting your website to look through the whole content. Link magnet, any kind of backlinks, it's off-page SEO, but sometimes you can see that other blogs, other content makers, they are linking to websites using interesting facts like statistics or something. So try to use interesting facts. And the last one, schema markup. Schema markup is very professional, very great thing for SEO. Schema markup allows your content to get rich snippets. Schema.org, they always creates new formats for markups, and Google tries to use most important of them, most interesting of them. Some weeks ago, we've got new update from Google Search Central that they are including new type of schema. It's very interesting. So I'll create another great video about how to use schema markup. You can use some of your content on your web page that is not media title or media description that I usually display as a snippet. You can use more. The price of the product, maybe reviews, some pros and cons of reviews of the product, the name of person who reviewed, it rates and so on. It's very interesting. It also can be used for frequently asked questions, for any kind of products I've already said, for reviews, for blog posts, for anything your website may include. There is a huge variety of types of schema markup. In some weeks, I'll share a video about how to use schema markup for any kind of your content. So stay tuned. Thank you for your subscription. Thank you for your likes. See you soon.